Most people are familiar with lettuce. It was introduced to people all across the world by Mediterranean countries as early as the 7th century. It has a nice appearance and a fresh flavor. It is also beneficial to one's health. It's an adaptable veggie. One of the benefits of lettuce is that it contains a variety of vital minerals. First and foremost, it is high in potassium, which is essential for maintaining body fluid equilibrium. It is beneficial to eat it frequently to boost renal function and lower heart pressure. In other words, it is beneficial to people with high blood pressure and heart disease. Secondly, it is one iodine source. As we all know, even a modest amount of iodine can have a significant impact on metabolism, mental growth, and mood regulation. People who eat lettuce frequently have more tranquil feelings and sleep better. Thirdly, it has a lot of fluorin, which is uncommon in other vegetables. This chemical promotes the development of teeth and bones. Another benefit of this vegetable is that it aids in digestion. Lettuce has a harsh flavor, yet it can help people have greater appetites by stimulating enzyme production. Meanwhile, its milky serum speeds up the function of the digestive system's organs, causing more bile, gastric juice, and saliva to be produced to aid digestion. It contains various dietary fibers, which help the intestines work better. Furthermore, lettuce can help to strengthen the body and protect it against cancer. This vegetable has a wide range of vitamins and minerals. They are adept at changing nervous system functions. It also contains several organic molecules, such as iron compounds. Iron is easily absorbed by the human body. When it enters the body, it aids in the transport of oxygen to all parts of the body. As a result, it is very beneficial to anemic patients. Experts also point out that it contains a chemical that can inhibit cancer cells. Experts recommend that consume lettuce on a regular basis since it is very nutritious. It is appropriate for everyone, but it is especially beneficial to the elderly. Lettuce is both healthful and affordable. And, more importantly, it would take little time to prepare. Many vegetables, such as spinach, must be scalded before consumption because the oxalic acid in them inhibits nutrient absorption. However, according to specialists, lettuce cannot be scalded. Most soluble vitamins would be destroyed otherwise. As a result, the best approach to prepare this vegetable is to peel and slice it. The most nutritious lettuce is raw lettuce.